Assalamu alaikum. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing with a really cool brand that I recently discovered and got to work with, and I love their pieces. And this is their Eid collection that I'm going to be showing. I just love the fabrics, the detail that's gone into it, and also their packaging is so cool and it's so Instagram. So this is what it looks like. The brand is called Emaan Qirat and it is super pretty. As you can tell, I love this box. Everybody knows anything like baskets, weaved, you know, like weaving and all that kind of stuff is so in right now. I love it. And then inside, the packaging looks like this, and then there's a sticker, and it's so cool. It's like a stamp. Can you see that? It's like a stamp. And then the box looks like this. The box is so pretty. You can easily like just store things in here, reuse it. Very pretty. Inside is this gorgeous black scarf, which I absolutely love. And on both ends there's these sequins. I love how luxurious this scarf looks. It's just so pretty. There's the both of them on both ends. That's the scarf. Now the outfit to this scarf, I can't wait to show you guys because it is adorable. So it comes in this absolutely gorgeous box, which is the same one but it's much bigger. It looks like this, and inside is a little thank you note. So there is an underdress, which I am obsessed with these dresses that they have because they are amazing and they're literally things I've been looking for ages. So this is a plain black one and it's satin, and then all the way at the bottom, it is 3/4 length by the way, and then all the way at the bottom it has these frills on one side. Super pretty. What I really love about this dress is the fact that it's gonna match so many of my different abayas, like open dresses. You can wear this like so many different ways, which is what I really love. And I feel like this is such a staple, especially because it is opaque. It's completely opaque. It's not see-through. You don't have to wear anything. Only thing is it doesn't have sleeves. However, in this heat, that's a great thing. Then the actual dress, well, the overcoat that I've been dying to show you, it's so luxurious. Like, I can't get over how gorgeous the clothes are from this brand. Like, when I was opening them, I was just like, wow. So this is like the overcoat. It's basically like an abaya, but it's a little bit short. So it comes just above my ankles, and look at the sleeves. It's so flattering. So it's like balloon sleeves, but then it cinches in, and then like look at that detail. Absolutely gorgeous. So that's both the sleeves like that. It's got a black collar with this detailing. There are no buttons, nothing. And then I can't wait to wear this to events. Like, I am so excited. Check out the bottom. Like, can we just talk about the bottom bit? It's got frills, and then it's got all these pearls, and this is so in right now. Frills and pearls, and this is perfect for Eid, literally, because it's a little bit too much, but then it's too much to still go out there and not look like you're too much, if that makes sense. Everything came in these cute canvas bags, and then the boxes were inside. I love how luxury the whole brand feels, and like they've put effort into everything, from the little card to the box. It's so well thought out, and like the clothing, it's made so well. Very good fabrics, very well made. I love it. Fits so well as well. So the next outfit is this gorgeous piece. So once again, it comes with the dress, which I actually tried this on, hence why it's inside out. Let's get that right out. I had to try them on. Like, how could I not have tried it on? It was just so gorgeous. So once again, it's a navy blue which is really handy because navy is going to be a very, very big color in autumn. Also has pleats at the bottom on one side. Absolutely adore this dress. This is so, I really need something like this in my wardrobe. I love that. And then over the top is this absolutely gorgeous jacket. Well, it's like an abaya jacket, but it's a little bit thick. The sleeves are like this. And the crazy thing is, on one side of the front panel, there's these little details, and as you can see, they've got like little sequins dangling off, and that goes on throughout the whole right hand panel, which is so gorgeous, and it just adds that extra blinginess. The sleeves are like this. Once again, there's frills. There's like a little frill here, then it goes just out like this. Not straight down, it's A-line, it goes out, and then once again there's frills at the bottom like this. And these frills are very different to the other ones. They're kind of like sewn up, if that makes sense. Now the last outfit is a two-piece again, and this time around it comes with a gorgeous salmon pink dress, which looks like this. All the dresses I got in a medium just because I'm pregnant, so I wanted it to fit me now, and also I didn't want them to be fitted anyway even after the baby. I kind of like them loose. If I want to tighten them, I can always tighten them myself, or I can add a belt. You'll be able to see it so much better on this one. It comes with this abaya. I got this abaya in a size small. It is long on me. I'm super short, I'm 5'2". So it's grey. It's the same fabric as the first one. It's a very gorgeous grey with like the salmon pink detailing here and there. It's got a really nice sturdy collar. It doesn't have any buttons once again. And then the really cool thing is the left sleeve, the pink panel's at the front, and then the right sleeve, the panel is at the back. So I love that little quirk. And then one side of this abaya is basically just completely empty. It's just this gorgeous satin fabric. The other side, however, has this panel of pleats, and they're pink and grey, well, silver really, and it just looks like this, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I love the way this looks. So that was my unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you get some sort of inspiration. And let me know if you do order from their website, and like tag me in the photos, because I'd love to see you wear their stuff, and I'd love to see how you style it. There's just so many different ways you can style it, and I just love how versatile the pieces are and how much you can do with them. It's just, honestly, I think their brand is one of my favorites now. It's definitely one of my 5 top favorite brands from Instagram. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I shall see you in my next one. Bye.